Hi, John Giffen here with State Roofing out of Houston, Texas. Thank y'all for being here and listening to my YouTube conversations. I want to talk about insurance and how much it's going up every year. I just got my renewal and they increased the value of my house to about $200,000, which means when they increase the value of your house, they're increasing your premium also. I know a lot of y'all want to shop every year for a new insurance carrier. I recommend that you find a carrier that you can live with and you make a relationship with. That may sound a little weird, but insurance companies like it when you're their policy holder for a long, long time. My dad had State Farm for probably over 65 years. But I recommend everybody look at a carrier, see what they've got to offer. Make sure they're offering you replacement cost value on everything, including the roof, because a lot of insurance companies now are non-renewing policies because of the roof system. A lot of them now are, when the roof reaches 10 years or 15 years, they're changing you from replacement cost value coverage to either actual cash value coverage, or they're even adding on a roof schedule to your policy. Roof schedules are worse than ACV, so don't let that happen to you or you will regret it in the end. Do everything you can to make sure you have replacement cost value coverage for your roof system. The insurance carriers are taking a beating with all the hailstorms that are coming through. So be prepared. They may tell you no. Call me, get a second opinion, or call another reliable roofer and get a second opinion. But there's always a dispute resolution that can be done if there is existing damage on your roof that needs to be argued. So here I am, State Roofing here in Houston, Texas. More than welcome to call me here, or you can call my College Station store. Either one of us will be more than happy to answer any questions you've got. Thank you.